Thanksgiving at the Stamsix. We have 2 new characters. Roger, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Joyce?
Hi. Thanks for dinner today.
Okay, it's been asked why you never eat at the table with us.
We never have cigars.
Okay, no more wine for you. Is that the answer to the question?
There's never turkey.
There's never, because we never have turkey for breakfast. Oh,
For
right.
breakfast.
Oh, you haven't heard?
You have to, we have breakfast every morning.
Yeah.
And
And he doesn't
somebody
eat.
wrote on Facebook and said, how come he's always standing around and
Oh.
not eating with everybody else? Well, he's on a special diet.
Turkey diet.
And Roger Kelly comes to breakfast every morning.
Did he come this morning?
Yeah. And he's part of the soap opera.